I'm going to bring you the sled video. We hyped. Me and Dylan gonna be ripping. Good friggin' day.
What's up, guys? I'm Sam.
I'm Nixie.
From GoldLabel.
And we're gonna be wrapping this truck in 3M Atomic Teal.
This is gonna mean dismantling, cleaning, clay barring, the whole shebang. Stay tuned, we're gonna try doing this thing pretty damn quick.
We're gonna be completely transforming this truck in 72 hours.
Think we can do it? I think we can. You got this?
I got this.
We got this. We gotta take the speaker off because to release this window, there's 2 tabs on here, then there's 2 tabs here, and on dodges, I guess they gotta be a little different. 5, number 5. If you're wondering what tool you need for the speaker, is socket number 5. You can just do it with a screwdriver, somebody holding the window. You push on the tabs, the window will release. Take the window out, or us, we just tape it around, so.
Good morning, it's day 2 on the truck wrap. So what we've done yesterday, we did wrap the front end. We are currently wrapping the top of the cab. Both sides of the bed are done. What we currently did last night as well is we removed the 6 bolts that were underneath the bed. That allows us to slide the bed back and have access to the back of the cab and the back of the box to complete a full color change wrap that will look sick and last for years.
We're using rubbing alcohol to clean before we install the vinyl.
So right now, sitting on a box, I'm wrapping the back of the cap. So we're only gonna wrap it up to this section here. There's really no need to go all the way down. Personal, I don't think I need to put it all the way down. Some people might want to. This is fine with me. It's just gonna cover it once the box is pushed back in. We're only gonna see this section anyways. And we've done the inside of the box on this side. We're gonna tackle this one and then we can bolt the bed back on.
And now we can do the sides. So we created a seam over here with lifeless tape, of course, so we don't cut on the paint. And now we're ready to do the side.
Big piece on the side with the inlays all inside the doors at the bottom. Now it's time to get laid.
When you're so starstruck of the wrap, you start crying.
Oh no, look, he's taking video of you.